Hello guys, starting a new video. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to program this little board here. It's an Arduino raindrop sensor.
How did you find a way to run from the city of the sun? You could have stayed, it's only over when the day is done. I never knew you was a runner, yeah. I mistook you for a son. It don't matter what we think when it's all over. 'Cause this is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah.
Make the connections.
This is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power,
The VCC to 5 volts of the Arduino and the analog output to analog 0 of the Arduino. So here as I was saying, this is 5 volts chain to GND analog to analog 0. To make things a little bit cooler, I'm going to use this LCD here, I2C LCD. So I'm going to connect the clock and serial. The data and clock to data and clock. The Arduino to the data table is this one. So I'm going to place here. And the clock is displayed on this way. So the GND of this I2C LCD to the GND of the Arduino and 5 volts to 5 volts also.
'Cause this is our last chance to leave it all behind.
So
Raise your voice and raise your
here's done.
power.
All you have to do is
This is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power.
So guys, here in the programming, it's pretty simple. So I included the Liquid Crystal library. I explained this in the last video, all of this. So I included the library, like I said, the ID and everything. So here I initiate the sensor minimum value and the sensor max value, as you can see. So on the setup, I initiated serial monitor on 9600 pound. So here I initiated the LCD and the backlight of the LCD. In the loop, it's pretty simple. I create this variable. So I initiate sensor reading and say that sensor reading is analog read of our sensor. Then I put this range to map sensor reading to sensor max and minimum value. It is right here. So here I serial print the sensor reading, as you can see. Pretty simple. Here I set the function switch. So case 1 is when the sensor get red, and we'll print on serial monitor raining warning, and also on our LCD raining warning. So and then break. stop the reading. Case 1, I said case 1 for here is case 0. Case 1, when the sensor gets dry, it prints on serial monitor, no raining, and here it's on the LCD also not raining. You can change this for whatever you want, it's your choice. So then I set 1 second per reading. So let's upload our code, pretty simple.
The code is being uploaded. You see, it says not raining. But then when I put these little drops of water on it, you will see the magic. Raining warning. You see? Raining warning. If I dry it, you see? Not raining. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave your like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'm going to show pretty cool projects with this sensor in the future. So I hope you stay tuned. Once